Welcome back. Today is the day we're going to reveal Shane's new motor. Look at, we got Chad. He's doing Chad stuff. There's the engine right over there, unblurred this time. You see it. You guys have any last minute guesses?
Last minute, that's the last second, bro.
That's true.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Da 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 da. 2JZ, no.
2JZ engine, no shit.
And what did I tell you?
It's beautiful. So what did this come out of?
So this came out of Lexus GS 300. It is a VVT motor. It's going to get the full treatment from accelerated performance.
This will decimate all after you put about 15 grand in it or more if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
And head games. We're going to get into the 8s with this.
What kind of power numbers?
The goal is 1300.
Woo!
What's it make stop?
Like 200.
That'll be a lot more power.
Yeah.
So that is gonna fit in there, and there's so much room in this engine bay.
We're going to upset a lot of people, a lot of boomers at the car shows.
All the boomers.
All the boomers.
So this is like a relatively rare Mustang Mach 1. And when we were asking everyone what we should do, they all said Ford Barra, Coyote, all this. It better stay Ford, better stay Ford. And you know we don't listen to people here. So it's getting a 2JZ swap. It should be pretty fun. So what are we doing today? We're going to try to tear it down to bare block.
Yeah, so today we're going to try to get everything off of it, get it down to bare block, ready to go to machine shop. Machine shop's going to prep the block, get it looking pretty, and we're going to start throwing some internals in it.
You got it. So Shane and Chad, if he's worth anything right now.
I hope to not be worth anything by the end of this season either, so I mean,
Yeah, that's true. We're gonna doing that. I have like a lot of videos to edit right now, so I'm gonna sit back there, edit while they go to town on this engine. We'll do a little time lapse and some updates for you. Only way we can survive.
Alright guys, we're here today. I had one of those nights last night where if I take these sunglasses off, my eyes will melt out of my skull. But we're gonna get doing what we do, tearing down this 2JZ straight to a bare block. I'm probably not gonna get my hands dirty, but I'll offer my inline 6 expertise anytime Shane has a question.
we have gloves.
You got gloves.
We got gloves.
I'm not touching a tool today because I am a tool today.
No, he's got a point.
Carl's gonna sit back there, he's gonna add some video. Depending on which intro he uses, you've probably already heard this information.
Slight issue. We're trying to get the crank bolt out, and
We yeet too hard!
this is when you yeet it way too hard. So what had happened was the bolts on the engine block failed. Harbor Freight stands so good. Those bolts,
I don't even
not
think
good.
the bolts failed. This bolt definitely failed. Look at how crooked that is, right? But it's all the way through. These bolts pulled the threads out of the block. Like, God dang, 2JZ's weak as hell.
2JZ problems. Round 2. Fight.
Nope.
You gotta. Yeah.
No.
Yay!
There's no such thing as defeat!
Hell yeah!
One eternity later.
Alright guys, back in Shane's shop right now. We got Brittany, the Mach 1, and over there is the torn down 2J. Shane spent like the last week tearing it down. It'd all go pretty well. I take it?
Yeah, couple rusted on bolts here and there. Little mishap with the engine stand, getting that that crank bolt off.
That falling down. I think that was on video. This is actually like a couple week break. Can't remember what we shot. But it's gonna go over to Don's in what, a week or two or something like that.
Yeah. Don at Accelerated should have it till, he said, early fall, and it's getting the works. Full treatment, aluminum rods, aluminum pistons, full head port. Should be pretty sick build.
Yeah, all the good stuff. It's Don wanted to get a couple extra parts, but with the availability and stuff saying it might be 6 months or a year, he's still gonna make it work, and it's still gonna be 13 to 1500, and it'll be a fine build. And then we got the Turbo 400 that's going in it right now. We also have your built transmission for sale if anyone wants it. What is that called again?
It's a 4R70.
4R70 built. You guys know it takes all the power. It works just fine getting that sold. He's also been doing a lot of work on the interior right now. What have you done? It looks pretty ripped out.
So I gutted all the HVAC out of it. Race cars don't need heat and air conditioning.
True.
So steering column's out of it. Been cleaning up the body harness. Got a lot of stuff deleted off of that. Just kind of getting prepped right now to run some new electrical on the aftermarket ECU. Pretty sure we're going to go with the Haltech system.
Ooh, yeah, that'll be pretty nice. Yeah, that's what you were showing me, that you cut down like all the wires inside the harness.
Yeah, we completely remade this factory harness here and deleted all the ABS out of it and a lot of the creature comforts I'm not using anymore. Stupid stuff like the windshield wiper fluid pump and different safety stuff that came from the factory that we're not really using anymore in this car. So
the good stuff, kind of like how when I put Klaus's body harness in and I just paid for someone to make it, Shane just did it himself because he's good with that stuff.
Yeah.
But that works. So that's the wrap of the Brittany 2J swap part 1, and hopefully we have a lot more and we start hurting some feelings soon. But until then, we'll see you guys next time.
Scissor kick that like button!